How to make a LinkedIn profile. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Bipin Bisnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can make or create a LinkedIn profile. Now you can easily log in or sign up using your Google account, Facebook account, or Apple ID, sorry. Now once you're logged in or signed in, now remember, you can, even if you don't have an account, you can easily log in using that feature that says login with Google or Facebook. That way your profile will be set up easily, your account will be set up easily. You just need to verify your account yourself and you're good to go. Once you're logged in, now even if you don't set your profile during the login, what you can do is you can tap on the profile icon at the homepage at the top left corner of your screen. Once here, now you'll get the option that is view profile. Now it's not loading up, you can see it has loaded up. View profile, you're gonna tap on it. Once you tap on it here, now you can upload your picture easily by tapping on the camera icon on the cover picture and profile picture as well, just like you do it on Facebook. So once you have uploaded a picture, you can upload a good looking profile picture to look professional, and then you can simply tap on pencil icon at the right hand side of the screen and you'll be able to edit all your profile details. You can add in your details here and then tap on save. There you can add website, contact info, location, current position, and such, all the necessary details that you want. Then once you have done so, you can tap on verify now and you can go for the verification as well. So this is the way that you can make a LinkedIn profile. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.